So today we're here to talk about this guy that I have in my hand right here. This is Gosvor's LiteVac G1, which is a robotic pool cleaner. In all honesty, it is one of the best sub $500 pool cleaners I have ever used, and I am very, very impressed with the results that I've gotten from this guy to date. So right now we're going to talk about this. We're going to go over my use, what my experience was with it, and yeah, show you everything that it comes with. Hey folks, welcome back to techgooch. And like you see behind me, I have a decent size above ground pool. It's a 20-foot pool, 4 foot deep. It's got quite a bit of water in it. And I have a lot of trees around me, so I get tons of debris. If I don't clean my pool daily, you will notice it immediately. That's how much debris I get in this guy, which I have a solar powered guy that tries to capture as much stuff off the surface as we can, but it still does not get everything, and a lot of stuff gets to the bottom, and that's where this guy comes in. This is Gosvor's LiteVac G1, which is what they call it, a 4-in-1 pool cleaner. It's going to clean the floor of the pool, the walls, the water line, and shallow depths. So I think it's 12 inches or greater it needs to get in there, but it can do all of those items. The thing about this guy is the price point that it sits at. At $499 was what it retails at. Right now on Amazon, you can get this guy for 379 bucks. So for $379, you get a robot that can do everything you really pretty much mostly need to do with a robot. But the beautiful thing about it, it does it systematically. So it does clean the walls all the way up to the water line, scrubs the water line, and it'll go around the pool 2, maybe 3 times before it then works on the floor if you're doing an all pool smart clean. But when it goes to the floor, it's not just one of the what I call the Roomba bounce fest, where it's just doing the star patterns all over the darn place. No, this actually is systematic in how it cleans your pool. It cleans back and forth in rows like you would do your lawn, and then it turns 90 degrees and does it again the other way. The battery on this guy can last, technically I think they say up to 200 minutes, 150, 200 minutes, but yeah, around 3 hours is what you can expect to clean that. So if most of your dirt's on the floor and you don't need to do the water line and the walls, that's a lot of cleaning on the floor. This guy right here gets 95 to 100% of the debris that's in the pool. Now I wouldn't say 100% because I've never met a robot that can get 100% because I don't think it's feasibly possible, because just amount of water and stuff that moves around the robots, some debris kind of eventually floats off. But I would say on average 96 to 98% of the debris that's in the pool that's noticeable, this guy is capturing. But there is one more trick up its sleeve that is pretty awesome. So the robot itself, you obviously have the robot, you have the bristles that are actually doing the cleaning, suction down here, tracks. Now for the price, you're only gonna get one of these roller brushes. You're not gonna get the back one. So know that going in. However, the big thing that this guy, the one pony that this definitely has that you really don't see unless you're looking at more expensive robots, is this has, a decent sized canister for collecting debris. But it does include out of the box the micro filter. So this guy just slides in here, and now this will allow you to get the really fine debris. The stuff that will literally pass through this stuff captures. So if you, and I'll be honest, don't use this unless your pool is decently clean to start. So if nothing else, clean the pool with the robot first, let it recharge, and then do the second cleaning with this in here, because this is meant for the really small stuff. You don't want to get the heavy stuff clogging this guy up. But it is amazing what you can get out of your pool, the filtration you're going to get with this outside of just your pool pump and your pool filter itself. This really takes it to the next level because it's pulling it off the surface rather than having to wait for it to dissolve into the water. So this, usually you don't see, most of the times you don't see this until you get more expensive robots. But this guy, even at 380 bucks, what you can get this for, comes with that filter. Now, if you're interested in how this came out of the box, as well as how it operates, I do have a full setup video as well, which unboxes, it gets it fully set up for the first time, and then its first use as well. But the big thing about this is the things that they did to save money make sense. So yeah, this could have been a $700-800 robot, but you know, they took it from having two to just having one of these guys. It also doesn't have Wi-Fi, which you're going to find in a lot of the robots these days. It's Bluetooth, so there is still an app that you connect this to your phone with and control it, and be able to do firmware updates, be able to make adjustments. You can do that in the app itself. Now I'll show you that app here in just a second. But everything just connects via Bluetooth. You can also use the button on the top right here to cycle through the 4 modes that they have, and I'll show you what those look like in the app. Okay, so you can see the robot itself is on. It's actually trying to see if there's water around it. So you can see the green bar there, and right now we're in full cleaning mode, the leftmost one. In the app, if I hit enter, here's where you can see. So that smart cleaning mode is what's currently selected. That smart cleaning mode is full pool cleaning mode. That's the best way to describe it. It's going to do water lines, walls, floor, everything. I can change it to floor, which now you can see I selected on the app, also selected on the robot as well automatically. That's only going to do the floor. There is wall mode, which only does the wall. It'll also do the water line with that wall. And then periodic mode, which is kind of neat. Periodic mode actually runs the robot for 45 minutes to keep your pool clean. Then it'll go into a dormant state for 48 hours before it kicks back into 45-minute pool cleaning again. Essentially, you can kind of think of it as the vacation mode. Stretches it out so it's constantly slowly cleaning your pool to keep it good. And now it's not going to get as clean as it would with a full cleaning, but it's going to keep it so it's very manageable to make those trips. So yeah, that's pretty much the most part of the settings in here. If we go to the top right corner, cleaning path, this is where we can change between the S-shaped. We can choose to do adaptive path as well, which depending on your pool shape, depending on how the floor is, if it's not a flat bottom floor, maybe adaptive path is better for you. S-shaped will actually do that systematic row cleaning, which is pretty awesome. And then if here as well, we can actually feature lab, there's an eco mode. You can see the device information, that serial number, stuff like that. There's an instruction. If we actually go to instructions, it's the full book, and you can download it. And then the firmware update, if there is a firmware update. Just to prove the point real quick, we can cycle through these just by clicking the power button. And then same thing, if we push and hold, that's to turn off or turn on. So I have reviewed quite a few pool robots to date, and seems like I just keep getting more and more. And every time I get a different one, I'm always looking forward to seeing what the robot can do. And I always try to attribute it to, if I was to buy this with my own hard-earned money, at that price, how do I feel about that robot? This robot, for 380 bucks, like I said, is what you can currently purchase this at, is perfectly priced. In all reality, the $499, I can understand where that retail price came from. It's actually priced pretty aggressively for a robot to a wireless, cordless, long-lasting robot to begin with. 380 bucks, this is well worth it. It's, like I said, probably one of, if not the best robot in its price point. So I'm going to put this in the sub $400 category because you can buy it at 380 bucks. At 380 bucks, 100% I give this a 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend this robot. Is it going to compete against the $1,000 robots? Not really, it isn't. But am I going to get 2 to 3 times the amount of robot out of those? No, absolutely not. This will do most things that you need, especially if you have a pool that's less than 2,200 square feet, give or take. This is more than enough for most people out there, especially if you have an above ground pool. This will definitely suffice unless you're looking for something that can do things more advanced. So, Gosvor LiteVac G1, I give it my seal of approval. This thing is pretty awesome. If you have any questions or comments, post those below, but you can also head over to techgooch.com and get a hold of me directly if you have more pointed questions that you want to make sure that I answer. Outside of that, thank you Gosvor for allowing me to do this review. By no means, them giving me this robot changed my fact. Everything that I've said in this video is based on if I was to actually literally pay the money for this robot, This is how I feel. This is one that I would purchase if I was looking for something in this price point. So, Gosvor LiteVac G1. Thanks for watching to the end. Catch you back here on techgooch for another future video review. Hope to see you soon.